Delaware Recovery Residence Certification has carried a heavy administrative burden, slowing every application that supports a safe, compliant home. Now it runs on Behave Health's affiliate management platform. Delaware's first state alliance of recovery residences has teamed up with Behave Health to streamline recovery residence certification across the state. Here's what that partnership changes for operators and how to get your home certified. So, what is FSARR and what changed? FSARR is Delaware's official NARA affiliate, the body that certifies recovery residences across the state. It now leverages the Behave Health affiliate management platform to digitize and simplify the entire certification workflow. Application submission, document management, and compliance tracking all live in one secure HIPAA-compliant digital environment. When certification carries a heavy administrative burden, the cost is real. A heavy administrative burden drags out approvals, even for homes that already meet the standards. Renewal dates and compliance documents are easy to lose track of when nothing is tracked in one place. Under House Bill 114, the Matthew D. Klosowski Act, certified homes may gain access to state referrals and public funding. Falling behind puts that at risk. The Behave AMP platform brings 5 tools built for FSARR recovery housing standards. Each is designed to support the certification process from start to finish. 1. Application Workflow Management. Operators submit and track certification applications from start to finish, designed to reduce processing time. 2. Site Review Coordination. On-site inspections and compliance reviews are scheduled and documented in one streamlined place. 3. Grievances and Incident Management. Built-in systems help report and resolve complaints or safety events within applicable timeframes. 4. Certified Organization Management. Track certification status, renewal dates, and compliance documentation in real time. 5. Communication features. Direct messaging between FSARR and operators speeds up the resolution of questions. AMP is specialized technology for certification. Behave Health built in strategic alliance with the National Alliance for Recovery Residences. Submissions are designed to align with NARR's nationally recognized standards for recovery housing. The platform guides applicants through safety protocols, resident rights, and level-appropriate oversight, whether monitored, supervised, or service provider. AMP is already being adopted by multiple state affiliates, building a unified digital infrastructure across the recovery residence network. For the Delaware recovery community, the partnership delivers real advantages. Reduced administrative burden is designed to accelerate approvals for compliant facilities. Real-time status updates keep operators informed throughout the process. Residents, families, and referral sources trust certified homes that meet rigorous standards. Getting certified is straightforward. Operators submit documented policies, procedures, staffing credentials, and evidence of life skills programming through the portal. From there, the platform tracks status, renewals, and compliance documents, so things stay on schedule. Stop letting slow certification hold your homes back. See the platform built for it. See the affiliate management platform in action. Book a demo at behavehealth.com.